Good morning, student. Dear student, in the previous class we were solving the exercise 8b. We had solved at the question number 14. Now in this class, some more questions from the exercise 8b, which is related to the application of linear equation. Okay, so now start from the question number 15. In the question number 15, there are given as the length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7 cm if the length is decreased by 4 cm and the breadth is increased by 3 cm. The area of the new rectangle is the same as the area of the original rectangle. Find the length and breadth of the original rectangle. Okay, so first you read the question number 15. In the question number 15, there is a rectangle is given that, and it is also given that the length of the rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7 cm. Let the breadth of the rectangle be x, then length is equal to x plus 7. It is given the length is exceed by the 7. Length of the rectangle exceed by the 7 of the its breadth. Okay. Now, if the length decrease by 4, now if length, first we find the area. Now area of rectangle. What means the area of rectangle? You know the area of the rectangle, that is L into B. So that is x plus 7 into x. Cause area is equal to L into B. Now again, if length is decreased by 4 cm, that is x plus 7 minus 4, that is x plus 3. X plus 3. And next is given that the breadth is increased by 3 cm and breadth is increased by 3 cm, that is x minus 3. Now area of rectangle, that is x plus 3 into x minus 3. But it is given that area will remain unchanged. Area will remain unchanged. So according to question, x plus 7 into x is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now we solve this. That will give x square plus 7x square minus 9. Here x square is cancelled by x square. That means 7x is equal to minus 9. 7x is equal to minus 9. Then this implies x is equal to minus 9 upon 7. if the length decrease by the 4 centimeter, breadth increase by 3 centimeter. Here is some wrong. Breadth is increased by 3 centimeter. That is x plus 3. So that is x plus 3. Now x plus 3. That is x square a plus b whole square. A square 6x plus 9. When you solve that, x square is cancelled by x square. That is 7x minus 6x is equal to 9. This will be x is equal to 9. Hence breadth of the rectangle that is 9 centimeter and length that is 9 plus 7 that is 16 centimeter. Now the area 144. Area will be 144 square centimeter. If you decrease the length, that is 12, and increase 12 is 144. So your answer is right. You note it. Now we come on the question number 16. In the question number 16, it is given as the width of a rectangle is 2/3 of its length. Width of the rectangle is 2/3 of its length. If the length is x, let the length be x. Then width will be 2/3 of x. Okay. If the perimeter is 180 meter, find the dimension of the rectangle and let length be x meter, then width be 2/3 of x, that is 2x upon 3. Now perimeter, what is the perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 in the bracket L plus B. 2x plus 2/3 of x, which is equal to this, so that 2x plus 2/3 of the x, that is equal to, it is equal to 180. What is that? P is equal to 2L plus B. Now, when you solve that, that is 2, 3 x plus 2/3 of x, that is 180 divided by 2. When you solve it, it will give the 5x upon 3 is equal to 90. 5x is equal to 90 into 3. Then x is equal to 80 into 3. When you divide it by 5, both sides will be divided by 5. This implies x is equal to 24. So, length is equal to 24 meter and width, that is 2/3 of 24, that is 60 meter. Now if you find the perimeter, that will be 40, 40 to the 80. So your answer is right. Okay, you note it. Okay, now we solve question number 17. Question number 17. In the question number 17, it is given as an altitude of a triangle is 5/3 the length of its corresponding base. Altitude of a triangle is 5/3 the length of its corresponding base. If the altitude be increased by 4 cm and the base decreased by 2 cm, the area of triangle remain the same. Find the base and the altitude of the triangle. Okay, here that is 17. A triangle is given that is saying that the altitude of the triangle is 5/3 of the length of its corresponding base. If this is the altitude of the triangle, it is given that altitude is the 5/3 of the base. If base is, let base be x, then altitude 5x upon 3, that is 5/3. If it is the x and it will be 5 upon 3x. Now area of triangle, that is x 1 upon 2 base into height, that is 5x upon 3. Why? Area of triangle, that is 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, if you will find that is 1 upon 2 5x square upon 3, that is 5x square upon 6. 5x square upon 6. Now second condition is given as if the altitude be increased by 4. If altitude is increased by 4, that is What is the altitude? This 5x upon 3 plus 4. Okay, it will be 5x plus 12 upon 3, and base decreased by 2. Base decreased by 2. That is, this is the base, x minus 2. Now area, what will be the area? That is 1 upon 2 x minus 2 into 5x plus 12 upon 3. It will give the 1 upon 6, 5x into x, that is 5x square, x into 12, that is 12x, and minus 2 into 5x, that is 10x, minus 2 into 12, that is minus 24. Now both areas same. Both areas same. So we can write and because area are same, so 5x square upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 6 5x square plus 12x plus 10x minus 10x, that is minus 10x. It will give 2x minus 24. Here 6 is cancelled by 6, 5x square is cancelled by 5x square. Now 0 is equal to 2x minus 24. This implies 2x is equal to 24. X is equal to 12. Hence, base is equal to 12. Then altitude 5 upon 3x, that is into 12, that is 20. Now area 120. When you increase by 4, that is 24, and base decrease by 3. Okay, you can check it. What will the area when the base is 12 and altitude will be 20? That will be 120. Area is 120. Again, when base decrease by 2, that is 10, and altitude increase by 4, that is 24. 24 into 10, 240 divided by 2, that is 120. So your answer is right. You note it. Okay, now we come on the question number 18. In the question number 18, it is given as two angles of a triangle are in the ratio 4 and 5. There is a triangle whose two angles, ratio of two angles, that is 4:5. Let angle be 4x and 5x. If this is the 4x and it will be 5x, then what will be third? Now, hence, show third angle will 90 minus 4x plus 5x. How? By angle sum property, that is 180 minus. By the angle sum property, you know that the sum of all three angles is 180 degree. If 2 is given there, then third will be 180 minus sum of these two. Okay. Now, in the question given that, by question, four x plus 5x is equal to 180 minus 4x plus 5x. That's clear? So, when we solve it, it is given that the sum of two angles is equal to the third angle. We will find the third angle is this. When we solve it, that is 4x plus 5x plus 4x plus 5x. That is 180. Now 18x is equal to 180, 9 18, then x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Hence, angle B, that is 4x, 4 into 10, 40 degree. 5x, that is 5 into 10, 50 degree. First, that is second. Now third angle, that will be 90 degree. Okay, you note it. Okay, now we come on to question number 19. In the question number 19, it is given that a steamer is gone downstream from one port to another in 9 hours. It covered the same distance upstream in 10 hours. If the speed of the stream be 1 kilometer per hour, find the speed of the steamer in still water and the distance between the port. Okay. Let the speed of steamer be x km per hour. Let the speed of steamer be x km per hour. Now next is given the speed of the water. Speed of water one km per hour. Okay. Then speed downstream when the steamer goes at the speed of in the flow of the water. In the flow of the water, you know, when you run in the flow of air, your speed will be more, right? When you swim in the flow of the water, your swimming speed will be more. Then speed downstream, that will be x plus 1 km per hour, right? And speed upstream, that is x minus 1 km per hour. Okay. Now distance covered in distance covered in how many hours? There is 9 hours to the downstream. Distance covered in 9 hours to downstream, that is distance is equal to time into speed, that is 9x plus 1. Again in 8 hours with upstream, with upstream, that is 8 into x minus 1. Sorry, that is 10. Now both distances are same. So 9x plus 1 is equal to 10x minus 1. That is 9x plus 9 is equal to 10x minus 10. When you solve it, that is 9x minus 10x, that is minus 10 minus 9. This implies minus x is equal to minus 19. Then x is equal to 19. So speed of steamer that is 90 km per hour, and distance, when you put the value of here, that is 9 into 19 plus 1, that is 180 km. Okay. Note it. Okay students, in today's class we have solved some more questions from the exercise 8b. Rest of the question we will solve in your next class. Okay, thank you, good day.